So hey guys, if you wanna make a amazing intro of your YouTube channel, so first of all go in description and download APK, and that is of intromaker, and it's a mode APK that is all like VIP in the free. So yep, then you have to select a template. Like I am selecting the any template, like I am selecting this one. Then you have to select the quality of the template, like 480p and 1080p. So I'm selecting 1080p, it's the HD and better quality. So first of all you have to put your title, double click on your title, and put your title like I am putting AJ plays. And यहाँ पे your subtitle I will put regular live streams, regular videos. Ignore the background sound guys, and just you have to click on this, and the video will start to export, and it will take less than 1 minute to export. So by the time it is exporting, you have to subscribe our channel, like this video and comment. So yep, and yes, it is now made. You can see very smooth, no lag. So hope you like the video. See you in the next video.